I'm looking for a Valentine. Are you my Valentine? Are you my baby? I'm looking for my sugar daddy. Have you seen my sugar daddy? Can you hear me? I wish that my cousin, not my cousin, dog. My cousin. Macklemore. Not my cousin. Oh, I probably know why you think I'm Macklemore, because I got all this from the thrift shop. I know. I got this hair at the thrift shop. I got this. Girl, I got everything from the thrift shop. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Ooh! Hold on, don't drop my roses. See, this is why we is ratchet as hell. Shoot, I got this from the thrift shop too. I paid 50 cents for that. I paid 59 cents for this bullshit. And for what? For the bottle part? Girl, I need a baby daddy for my Valentine. Are you my Valentine? Are you gonna be my baby daddy for my Valentine? Girl, you look like you can be my baby daddy, though. Are you not my Valentine? That makes me sad. Oh, alright. How? I'm looking for a Valentine. Are you my Valentine? I'm looking for a baby daddy for my Valentine. You know, I'm looking for someone who likes long walks on the beach, someone who got them long and thick, and you know, they can't be going out with no hoes, you know, you was with me. So I need a Valentine. You know anybody? Unless you want to be my baby daddy. What up, girl? I'm looking for my Valentine. Are you my Valentine? Oh, bitch. Have you seen my baby daddy? I'm looking for my Valentine. My baby, you look, hey. Are you my baby daddy? You must be my sugar daddy. I'm looking for a Valentine sugar daddy. I got the rose and everything. Girl, he needs to be. He likes a lot. My baby daddy. Oh my God, you is some fat hoe. I need a baby daddy for Valentine's. Hey, I need a. I can't even drink. I need a baby daddy. Are you my baby daddy? I need a Valentine. Hey, you want to be my Valentine? I'm looking for a Valentine for Valentine's. I'm sorry.
Repeat the question.
Hey, boo. Who the girl? That is so. Okay, my girlfriend and I are doing a survey. If I show you my 8 inches, would you rate it from 1 to 10? She says it's a solid 7, but I better. Girl, you got me you got me mistaken for a hoe. Hey, boo, you want to be my Valentine? I'm looking for a Valentine.
Stop turning my title.
Oh, bitch, shut the fuck up. Like, oh, bitch, haters in the house.
I can't hear what you're saying. You're crap.
Haters. Hey, boo. Oh, you ugly as hell, though. American.
Whoa. Hold up. You are American, aren't you? You're a little petty American.
You British?
You're an American.
Yeah, and?
Little fat, petty American.
Yeah, and?
American.
What's wrong with Americans? You got a problem with Americans, girl?
Does that hurt your feelings?
Not really, because I don't give a fuck. I'm a boss ass bitch, bitch. That was my jam. Bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, bitch, bitch. A little wine who the $5 bitch. A little wine who the $5 bitch. A little wine, a little wine, a little wine who the $5 bitch. Huh? I can't hear you. I'm no hoe. After the Wayne, who the 5-star bitches. After the Wayne, who the 5-star bitch. After the Wayne, after the Wayne. Who, you know me? Who am I, boo? Who am I? Who is I? I know I'm a hoe. You a hoe, though. You the hoe. Girl, you is the hoe. You a hoe, you know? You a hoe, girl. My milkshake bring other boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than that. You look sad. It's okay. Stop it. Who Misty? Girl, I know I get that a lot. I am Misty from Pokemon. I love Pokemon. That's my girl, though.